this is Mridul Goyal from Ophthalmology Discussion. On the behalf of the entire team and our speakers, being a moderator, I would like to inform each and everyone with a hearty congratulations that we have finally started our tutorials regarding optometry and ophthalmic discussions. I would like to thank the founder of Ophthalmology Discussions, that is Ms. Komal Sharma. She is right now working as an assistant professor, has been credited for in authorships in various subjects. And obviously I'm very glad to inform each and every one of you that the registrations have shortly started and they are going to be continued for the next week, because our discussions are going to be started from 11th of July till 16th of July. That is going to be our first session by different speakers. We have a group of 6 speakers which will provide you information for the regarding topic. And also one thing that is very important for entirely student batch who is right now having optometry, or they are planning to opt for optometry. We are going to provide lectures for particular subjects, particular topics, and even we are going to have our separate doubt sessions regarding the registration right now, who are in clinical practice or who are in just educative studies right now regarding theory, practical. We all of us face some problems regarding any particular topic, be it ocular diseases, be it any clinical examination, be it orthoptic examination, any kind of subject in optometry. So here we come up to help, the ophthalmology discussion. This is the channel you can rely on, and obviously our speakers are highly experienced, and obvious we are here to help you. So regarding optometry and ophthalmology, we are providing more than just tuitions and tutorials. If any of the student of you are facing any kind of queries, any kind of doubts, even in the particular topic, then they can just coordinate with any of our speakers by registration and having their contacts or something. They can just contact them even for their queries. We also provide that for you. And also it is much more than tutorials and tuitions, because everybody needs a side guideline. All right, so it is gonna always we are gonna also help in career counseling ahead in optometry. And obviously regarding the topics, we are gonna discuss various random topics, and students can also provide us with information in the comment section for what topics they are facing a huge problem, whether it is practical and whether it is theory. We are also planning to come up with some practical theory sessions, we are going to perform the practicals and show you. It is going to be really quick. So let me introduce you all to our speakers. I would first like to just thank Ms. Komal Sharma, who is the founder of this ophthalmology discussion, and I would really thank her to provide us this opportunity to be a part of ophthalmology discussion and provide you with information and guidance. So in guidance of her, we have 5 more speakers. We will start with Mr. Om Kamath. He is currently working as an assistant professor in Sharda University in the Department of Optometry. And Mr. Naveen Kumar, he has attended various Amicons and from the Amity University. And Ms. Shivani Gupta, who is recently working as a faculty in IPSM. So these are our speakers, and at the last I would like to introduce you to myself. This is Mridul Goyal. I am also I am very thankful to be a part of the family, and I will also be a speaker for it. So you can even tell us the topics after the first session happens, and quickly register for your seats. And it's for the summer breaks or the summer gaps, we have reduced the amount to just 50 rupees per session. So it's just you can have plenty of knowledge, enormous of knowledge, just at the rate of 50 rupees per session. Finally, coming to the registration process. For registration, you can just contact the number given on the pamphlet you have received, and also you can also open the link for the registration, and the payment amount will be registered over there, and the payment will be successful, and you will get a link to follow for the sessions from 11th of July to 16th of July. That is going to be our first session on different topics. Topics are also mentioned right from the date wise, for the 11th what topic is going to be discussed, for 12th what topic is going to be discussed, along with their speakers. So just stay tuned and register as soon as possible.